good morning folks, welcome to another video. This is one of the most anticipated videos that I've ever made. For the last 2 or 3 years, even when I wasn't a photographer, I wanted to come to the Saltee Islands. So today, myself and Dave, we're in Kilmore, waiting for the ferry to go to the Great Saltee Islands. Absolutely brilliant day. Anything to say, Dave?
No, actually superb day, and I would recommend it to anyone. Like, come out, and it's a exquisite experience, brilliant altogether.
Now I'm going to ask him to spell exquisite, and if he can spell it, we're going to let him behind on the boat. We had a brilliant day. It is amazing here. Oh Jesus! Full of rocks. Be careful. Don't be talking into cameras. Look down where your feet are going. So we're just on our second half of our journey. The gannet colony are at the other side of the island, so it's a nice little trek. I don't actually know how far it is, but it's a nice walk and a lot uphill, so slightly out of breath, but absolutely worth it so far with the puffins and the razorbills, etc. But I didn't really do much video footage. Absolutely just engrossed with taking my photos and trying to catch the puffins with the sand eels, etc. in their mouth. What a great photo to get. So I hope I got it anyway. If I do, I'll post it. So stay tuned and we'll keep going anyway. Two very out of breath men. Amazing. And right now I'd say we're probably at near enough to the highest point of the island. Have a look at this, folks. Only in Ireland, as they would say. Only in Ireland. So we're just on our way back for the boat. I think when you want to become a photographer doing wildlife, all the practice, all the training, all the small river walks you do yourself, all amount to the practice that you bring to some place like this. It was absolutely amazing here today.
Brilliant.
So much for someone to do. Like, you're here for 4 hours and it literally just seems like you were here for 10 minutes. You're so busy trying to get in everything. It's absolutely crazy. I would highly recommend it, 100%. I probably would come better prepared if I came again. I probably came over prepared this time. I think the two of us came over prepared.
We did.
We brought hoodies, we brought jackets, I brought 2 cameras, 3 lenses. I don't know what I was thinking. It's just an unreal experience, and as I said, I think the whole build up of what you do, really this is the end line for you. Like, if you can get great shots here, you're somewhere decent to being what you want to be. So I'm actually looking forward to getting home, sitting down on the computer. Done very little video. I was so busy, as I said. All I wanted to do was try catch that image of a bird in flight, the puffin with fish in its mouth. I really focused on all of that, so it probably will be a short video other than just listening to me talking for a while. Anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and Dave says thank you too.
Thank you very much, and you all come back now.
You all come back now, you hear?